Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you route optimization and what it is. So basically, route optimization is when you are going to multiple addresses or multiple locations. Let's say you're delivering something to different people, or you're dropping off passengers in different locations, like a Uber driver or a taxi driver or a minivan, a passenger carrier, and so on. So how do you use route optimization and how to change the priorities? So basically I'm going to shed more light about this using a Garmin GPS DriveSmart 65, one of the newer ones. It's the one that is equipped with Amazon Echo. So let's see and get on this and start learning a thing or two about route optimization. Okay, so we're using optimized routing to get most fuel efficient, most time efficient, and most distant efficient route calculation to multiple locations that we have to go. And that includes traffic conditions, elevations, and you name it, depending on our preferences and settings in our Garmin GPS unit. Based on that, this is how we do it. Okay, so first we will click on where to, and for the sake of a better address, I'll just go to categories and choose, let's say, restaurants. Okay, so let's go to coffee and tea restaurants. So I'm going to go to Starbucks, different Starbucks. I'm going to choose the ones that are far away as much as I can. This way, it will be a more complex route calculation for the GPS to calculate my route. Basically, it's going to be a very, very long. Let's say I'll choose this one, and I will click Go. Now, what I'm going to do is add another one. Okay, so that's tolls are required. So yeah, no worry about that. Remember, do you want to go to alternate route? No, I don't care if I have to pay toll or whatnot. So just for the sake of it right now, it's for learning purposes. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and add another destination, categories, restaurants, and coffee and tea. And let's say this one. Oh, wait a minute. Coffee and tea. Let's go to this Starbucks. No, I think I already chose that one. Let's go to this Starbucks. Go. Okay. See this menu? It says start a new route, add as next stop, add as last stop, or add to active route. So you have to choose. You have to pick which one of these you want. So I'm going to say add to active route. Okay. Now, in this, you could change the priority by, moving these up and down with these arrows. But I'm not done yet. I click save. It's calculating my route, and I'm going to add another destination. So what I'm going to do is go to the back arrow, click here, categories, restaurants, and let's say I'm gonna go to another Starbucks. All right, this one is gonna be a much closer Starbucks, this one, and I will go click on go, add to active route. You could choose any of these, but I'm gonna choose add to active route. Now again, I have the choices to move them up, down, and so on, but I'm not done yet. It's calculating my route because it's thinking that's all 3 places I'm going. But no, I'm going one more Starbucks. So what I'm going to do is click on where to again, and categories, restaurants, Starbucks. And let's choose one that's really far. As far as it can go. Okay, this is as far as it can go. Click go. Same thing, add to active route. Okay. Here is something very important. Now, you could cherry pick which one you want to go to first, which one you want to go to second, which one you want to go to third. If you don't choose the priority that you want, the GPS will calculate the priority for you based on best distance management, meaning that if it takes you to Starbucks 1, it will take you to Starbucks 2 that's closest to the Starbucks 1, and then the Starbucks 3 that's closest to Starbucks 2, and the Starbucks 4 that's closest to Starbucks 3. Basically, it will make you a circular route pattern that's the most fuel efficient, distance efficient, and time efficient, unless you will change it yourself. If you let the GPS to do it for you, it will calculate all the routes for you, and voila, you're ready to go to all these different destinations. And if you click here, it tells you, the time, arrival time to destination, miles, the next arrival time, and all the good stuff you will see here. Okay? And if you click on the map, right here, it tells you the start and the finish. Right here. If you click on the map again and click here again, it gives you all those little orange flags. Those are your destinations. Destination 1, Destination 2, Destination 3, and Destination 4. And the final one has little checkers flag. These are the flags that have the basically orange flags, or middle destination. This is the final destination. Okay, so that tells you all of that. If you click on the on the screen again, you could add additional points in your route. You could point in a map in a place, and you can add that to your route if you wanted to. And then you could click on, let's go back. That was because I touched the map that was saying that. And you could just continue on your route, and you shall be arriving to your different destinations. So this is how you do multiple destination in most newer Garmins, but this is in a Garmin DriveSmart 65, which is equipped with Amazon Echo. Okay, so this was optimized routing in a new Garmin GPS unit. Now, optimized routing or smart routing is the best way to manage your distance and your time to navigate that's in the most efficient way possible. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.